please trust me, because I'm going to guide you into how you can give back life to your completely dead lithium-ion battery. And this is a very honest guidance. You got to listen to me carefully, because I'm going to show you exactly what is the way. Unlike other videos that might actually exaggerate or gives you false information. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so this is the dissection of the lithium-ion battery. You can see that this is the cathode, or the positive part. It's a kind of metal. Under this cathode, there is the PTC, which is the positive temperature coefficient, and it's a conductive washer. This is a conductive washer that actually heats up when there is a lot of current coming up from this battery. And when it's heat up, actually, it resists the current, and thus acts like a brake for a car to minimize the current coming up. But the most important is this one here. This is the CID. The CID is the current interrupt device. Sometimes it's called the gas release valve, just like a valve. When there is a buildup of gas here, because the electrolyte gets heat from outside sources, whatever, it becomes too much hot here, the gas actually form up or build up. Then this valve goes up so that it releases the gas. It stays up and disconnects the battery. You will have later on to push it gently, to push in the PTC gently, so that you reset the CID or take it back to its position. This is one of the ways to give life back to your lithium-ion battery. Okay? There is another way also, which you will use when your battery is completely damaged. And that is when the internal electrolyte fluid, or the liquid electrolyte inside the battery, is completely dry. In this situation, there is no one in the world that can tell you how to do. But in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what to do to bring the battery back to life. Let's get started. Alright, this is an advanced battery charger. It can recognize any battery, such as lithium ion, such as nickel metal hydride, like nickel cadmium, any type of battery. You can see, when applied to all the batteries on the right, it can recognize them and start charging immediately. Give the identification for them, give the time, give the charging amperes, everything, with no problems at all. Okay? But when we apply those batteries, the dead batteries, here you can see that there is nothing at all, because they are completely dead. And that's how we figured out and actually decided that those batteries are completely damaged, permanently dead, needs to be revived. Let's go ahead and do our 2 ways to bring them back to life, although it's impossible. But in these 2 ways, nothing impossible. We will definitely bring them back to life. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, as you can see, it's charged fully as 1.9 volts maximum. Okay, it recognizes as NIMH or NICD. I mean nickel metal hydride, which is all time has been actually obsolete. Also, nickel cadmium battery is obsolete. So then it depleted very fast. If you can see the 1.5, 1.9 volts depleted very fast. You can see that here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. See, becomes 0.7 and goes and goes and goes and goes down and goes down and goes down. You can see that. Okay, 0.7 volts. The reason is that the electrolyte we put, or the liquid electrolyte we put, is water. You see, it's going to charge until it reaches to 1.5 volts and then will be depleted very fast. What is the solution here? You have to fill it, because it's dry now, with the proper liquid electrolyte that's used for lithium-ion batteries, okay, which is called lithium hexafluorophosphate. Lithium hexafluorophosphate. You can see the link where you can find it on the website. I'll give you a link on the description box. Or in short, LiPF6. Okay? Yeah. See, 1.7 volts. Let's go and check now. 1.5 goes down very fast because the electrolyte is a distilled water, but it proves for you that you can really revive a very dead to the grave lithium-ion battery. Thank you very much.